What if a single gummy could revolutionize your gut and skin health forever? Meet Primebiome, an exceptional probiotic supplement aiming to optimize your whole body wellness. With a stellar rating of 4.96 out of 5, customers rave about its effectiveness. Skeptical about probiotics? Thousands have found their solution within Primebiome's remarkable formula. In an easy-to-take gummy format, Primebiome fits seamlessly into your daily routine. This advanced supplement promotes not only gut health, but also enhances your skin's appearance. Primebiome's unique blend works to balance your gut microbiome and improve digestion. Where does Primebiome excel? Let's dive deep into its powerful ingredient list. Bacillus coagulans, a key probiotic strain, enhances nutrient absorption and digestive balance. Reducing bloating and gas, this strain transforms discomfort into ease for many users. Babki, an Ayurvedic gem, targets inflammation while supporting both skin and gut health. Imagine clearer skin and better digestion, all thanks to the bioactive compounds in Babki. Dandelion complements this effect by promoting healthy liver function and effective detoxification. With antioxidants, dandelion bolsters your body to combat free radicals and enhance health. Fennel supports digestion by alleviating gas and cramps. It's a soothing solution for many. The fiber-rich inulin fuels beneficial bacteria, enhancing your gut health and overall balance. Fenugreek not only aids digestion, but also promotes beneficial metabolic health with its nutrients. Feeling anxious? Lemon balm calms your nerves while relaxing your digestive tract muscles. Organic Ceylon ginger is your ally against nausea, soothing your stomach and improving digestion. Lastly, organic lion's mane targets both digestive health and brain function, promoting growth in both areas. Primebiome marries these ingredients, creating a synergistic effect for optimal wellness. Not only does it support gut health, but it also fosters healthier skin and boosts immunity. Imagine enjoying a natural, plant-based solution with no reported side effects at all. Primebiome comes with a simple recommendation: just one gummy each day with water. Consistency is key. Make it a part of your daily routine for the best results. Worried about the purchasing process? Primebiome is easy and convenient through their official website. A 60-day money-back guarantee reassures you while trying this life-changing supplement. Ready for transformative experiences? Pricing options cater to every need and budget. Purchasing 6 bottles not only offers you the best price, but also comes with free shipping. Plus, bonus gifts are included with bulk orders, adding even more value to your purchase. Join nearly 20,000 satisfied customers who have already experienced the Primebiome difference. Tired of complicated solutions? With Primebiome, health becomes simple, effective, and delightful.